You have to deal with yourself ruthlessly. When it comes to self, it is not about prayer, it's about deny. Jesus said, you will deny yourself. God will not do it for you. Nobody will do it for you. It's a personal thing. You just have to make a choice, and it should be a deliberate choice. And you know the reason why you have to do it is because if you don't do it, you are going to become a corrupt agent. That is, first of all, you will be corrupted as a person, then you become a corrupt agent. Now, to be corrupt agent is that you will be corrupting others. When you are singing in the spirit, and you are saying, Pralaka Sota Dele Baba, corruption. Anybody that comes to the pulpit, anybody that stands before you to minister is two things we have on. Either of these two. Is that the person minister life or you minister death? So you can be speaking into and it is dead. You are meeting, you are emitting, you are releasing. And somebody can be preaching hard. They say that man is a preacher of righteousness. Where? In a corrupt heart? No, it's not possible.